The world is moving fast, so is the maintenance domain. We are going through the Industry 4.0, and the people working in the maintenance professional should update themselves, otherwise, they will eventually get lost. So, to keep updated with the current technology, current uh, status, you need to have certifications. This is the age for the certification. So, people should always go for the certification. It does not attach value to your name and increase your salary, but also it gives you opportunity to network with people around the world and gain more knowledge and more increments towards your goal or toward your career path. So in this particular video, we will be discussing about the top 5 maintenance certifications of 2022. First one is CMRT. This is for the maintenance technicians or the person or engineers who are working basically in the field, doing the troubleshooting, doing the maintenance. This is for them. This particular certification is highly valued in US and other countries around the world. In some organizations, this is one of the qualifying criteria for getting a job or continue with the job. This particular exam or certification is governed by SMRP, which is the Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professional, and exam fees is $300. Okay, the next certification is Six Sigma, and this particular certification is there for quite long time when the quality revolution was started in the maintenance domain. And there are mainly two parts into this certification. One is Six Sigma Black Belt, and another is Six Sigma Green Belt. The Six Sigma Green Belt is the foundation course, and the Black Belt is the more advanced one. Both of these certification are governed by ASQ, American Society of Quality, and the examination cost for green belt is $438 and examination cost for black belt is $538. Just remember, there are numerous organizations which is providing this Six Sigma certification, but one of the most renowned and most trusted organization is ASQ, and also this is the most valued certification in this quality domain. So I would recommend you can take the training from anywhere, any organization, but just give exam from ASQ only, so that your certification has some value to it. Okay, now what is our next one? This is project management. Somebody can tell that okay, project management is not quite related. This is a project field that is different, maintenance field is different. But just think of the situation when you need, like you are in a maintenance and you need to execute small change management jobs, and there is the project is involved, and you want to switch from maintenance to project domain. So this particular certification has lots of value into it, and it provides a lots of networking opportunity. At the same time, it provides you lots of value to your career or to your career goal. So go for this exam, go for this certification. This is governed by PMI, and examination cost is $555. Next is CRE, yet another beautiful certification offered by SQ. Full form is Certified Reliability Engineer. People who want to switch into the reliability domain can opt for this certification. This is highly valued certification, and often it is considered as a criteria for the reliability engineer, and the cost of the certification is around $498. And uh, and just remember that this certification adds real value to you when you apply to for some job or something. Your CV gets shortlisted among thousands of applications. So if you have the certification, you have the edge over others, and there is a 80% of higher chance of getting shortlisted in the top organization. Okay, so in this video we have covered the four uh, fourth top certification for the maintenance professional in 2022. We are now going to tell you the highest rated and highest valued certification for the maintenance professional. Okay, so this is the certification, the top certification for maintenance professional in 2022, and this is Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional offered by SMRP USA. Exam costed around $400. And this particular certification is a beautiful certification, most valued, most trusted certification. And uh, this is if you want to excel in maintenance domain, you should go opt for this certificate. You will not only get the in-depth knowledge about the subject, but you will get immense networking opportunity all over the world, and it will definitely help you increase your salary, increase your chance to get promoted, and also uh, takes you to get better opportunities in other organization. So this is the exam you should take, and without wasting time whether you can really pass it or fail it, just go to the website and register for the exam. And there is numerous lectures available in my channel, where you can learn about the exam, and you no need to go and and enroll for a training course for this particular exam. You can pass it on your own through the self study. And so this is the exam you should go for. And guys, whatever exam suits you among these five, choose one, make it your goal for 2022 before it is too late, before so many people get certified and you do not feature in the top list. So just go and make it your goal and register for any of this exam. See you.